CarPlay notifications can be distracting while driving, significantly impacting your safety on the road. Understanding how to manage these notifications is crucial for safe driving. When you receive notifications like this message while driving, it can pull your attention away from the road, creating dangerous situations. CarPlay has four main types of notifications. Critical alerts are for emergencies only. Time-sensitive notifications are important but not emergencies. Standard notifications are regular app alerts. And Siri announcements are audio notifications read aloud. The most common method to disable CarPlay notifications is through your iPhone settings. Follow these 5 simple steps. Open Settings, tap Notifications, select Announce Notifications, choose CarPlay and toggle it off. You can also control notifications for individual apps. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Select the specific app you want to manage. Find Announce Notifications and set it to Never. These methods work with iOS 12 or later for basic controls and iOS 15 or later for advanced features. They support both wired and wireless CarPlay connections across all compatible vehicles. To summarize, disable all CarPlay notifications through Settings, Notifications, Announce Notifications, CarPlay, and toggle off. For individual apps, select the app and set Announce Notifications to Never. These settings work with iOS 12 and later, supporting all CarPlay connections and significantly improve your driving safety. For advanced notification management, focus modes provide granular control over your CarPlay experience. Navigate to Settings, then Focus, then Driving to customize which notifications reach you while driving. The Driving Focus allows you to customize notifications and apps, automatically activating when connected to CarPlay or CarBluetooth. You can allow notifications from selected people and apps while filtering out distractions. You can also manage notifications directly through the CarPlay interface itself. Modern CarPlay systems offer per-app toggles and notification preferences accessible from your vehicle's display. Emerging trends in CarPlay notification management include AI-powered filtering that learns your preferences, context-aware notifications that understand driving conditions, and enhanced voice-first interactions for hands-free control. Apple's next-generation CarPlay promises even more sophisticated notification management, with deeper integration into vehicle displays and intelligent filtering systems that prioritize safety while keeping you connected. Remember to regularly review your notification settings as your needs change. Always prioritize safety over convenience, and test new settings in a safe environment before relying on them during important drives.